everyone, and welcome to Comztube YouTube Channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's incredibly important for students of all ages. Time management. What is time management? Time management is simply the process of planning and controlling how you spend your time. It's about making sure that you're using your time effectively and efficiently so that you can achieve your goals. Why is time management important for students? There are many reasons why time management is important for students. Here are just a few. It helps you stay organized and on top of your schoolwork. It helps you reduce stress and anxiety. It helps you improve your grades. It helps you develop essential life skills. There are a number of different things you can do to manage your time effectively. Here are a few tips. Set goals and priorities. What are you trying to achieve? What are the most important things you need to do? Create a schedule. When are you going to do your homework? When are you going to study for exams? When are you going to relax and have fun? Break down tasks into smaller steps. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing a task. It's a major time waster and can lead to stress and anxiety. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks when you're working on a task. This will help you stay focused and prevent burnout. Reward yourself. When you achieve a goal or complete a task, reward yourself for your hard work. This will help you stay motivated. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you never miss a video. Remember, time management is a skill that takes practice. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right away. Just keep practicing and you'll eventually get the hang of it.